I knew it was a big assembly, but I honestly had no idea what was going to happen. I knew it was about Y-top and how good we did, but other than that, I had no idea. I was quite emotional because he's just done so much for me and so many people, and I knew he deserved it. I was not really surprised, but I was very proud and emotional about it because he's just so amazing. His support and just care for everything. He's goes out of his way when he doesn't have to. He helps you in any way you ask, even if it's the most random ways. He's just always there. We did a sheep brain dissection once. That was really fun. He made it definitely an experience to remember. I think it's important to reward that because it just helps other teachers strive to do the same, and it makes them stand out in the way they should.